I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Audi Q5 oil. First, gather tools: jack stands, a 17mm socket, oil filter wrench, drain pan, funnel, and the correct oil type. Wear gloves and eye protection and let the engine cool until warm but not hot. Read the owner manual to verify oil capacity and filter part number. Working methodically prevents spills and helps you finish safely and confidently. To drain oil, loosen the drain plug while the oil is warm, then remove it carefully to avoid splashes. Allow oil to fully drain into the pan, which can take several minutes. Inspect the drain plug and gasket for wear and clean the mating surfaces. Replace the gasket if needed and wipe any spills immediately. This step sets the stage for a clean filter change and fresh oil refill. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future guides. Quick recommendation: a great read is The Simple Path to Wealth, which can change how you think about saving for car maintenance and long-term goals. It really reframes priorities and makes budgeting less stressful. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. After draining, remove the old oil filter and clean the filter mount area thoroughly. Lubricate the new filter gasket with fresh oil and thread it on by hand until snug, then give it a firm hand turn. Lower the vehicle and slowly add the correct oil amount, checking the dipstick for proper level. Run the engine briefly to circulate oil, then recheck level and top up as needed for an accurate fill.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.